Good morning to all. My name is Radhika. I am from NTTF Murbad. My course is Mechatronics. Today is my Shoptalk topic is Servo Motor. Before going the topic, let's we understand the automation. What is automation? Automation is the technique, the things which is performed automatically without interference of the humans. In automation system, there is a three types. First one is a sensor, second one is a processor, and third one is a actuators. What is a sensor? Sensor sense the movements, collect the information from the surrounding. What is a processor? Processor that the data transfer between computers and external devices, also known as a microprocessor. What is the actuators? It's use electrical energy to generate motion. For example, motor. What is a servo motor? Servo motor that allows precise control, angular and linear position, speed and torque. It's one of the example of the actuator. Parts of servo motor. There is a gears, rotating shaft, position feedback sensor, DC motor and one control circuit. What is a DC motor? DC motor is the one of the example of actuator. This is the dynamic device which is convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Inside the DC motor, there is a stator magnets, rotating coil, commutator, brushes and shaft. Inside view of the servo motor. There is an output spline, drive gears, servo case, motor, control circuit, and one potentiometer. In potentiometer, there is sometime use of the encoder. Let's we understand what is an encoder. It's a combinational device that's convert data from one format to another format. It sends the position and motion. This is the block diagram of the servo motor, which is depend on the closed loop system. There is a one control circuit, motor, gears, and one position sensor, which is control the all circuit. This is a small block diagram of the servo motor. There is a controller, DC motor, gears, encoder, potentiometer, and processor. Thank you.